The Meghalaya State Price Monitoring and Resource Unit Mspmru conducted its inaugural one-day seminar on the regulation of medicine prices in collaboration with the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NPPA) at Chenkompara, Ampati on Wednesday. The seminar focused on creating awareness about the price monitoring of pharmaceutical products for pharmacists and shop owners in the retail and wholesale sector of Southwest Garo Hills district. YW Momin, ADC Southwest Garo Hills, as chief guest, expressed gratitude towards the government for establishing Mspmru, emphasizing its pro-people approach to making medicines more affordable and accessible. She conveyed optimism that this initiative would address challenges faced by citizens in the district.
Approach towards making medicine affordable and accessible to all. I am positive this will go a long way in alleviating some of the challenges faced by some of the people in the district. Although this concept may be new to us, however, let us try our best to ensure that we follow the guidelines and directions issued to us by the authorities concerned to the best of our abilities.